right now while you are scrolling your phone, buying coffee, and checking your bank account. China is executing the most ambitious financial plan in human history. Not with tanks, not with missiles, not with armies, with apps, with algorithms, with a digital currency so powerful that the US Treasury Department has called it a direct threat to American financial dominance. And here is the part that nobody is talking about. It is already working. These are the 5 Chinese financial technologies that are quietly replacing the US dollar. And by the end of this video, you will never look at your wallet the same way again. Number 1, Alipay, the app that made cash obsolete. In 2004, a Chinese company called Alibaba built a small payment tool so people could buy things online without getting scammed. That tool was Alipay. Today, Alipay has over 1.3 billion users. That is more people than the entire population of North America and Europe combined. In China, you can pay your rent, invest your savings, buy insurance, take out a loan, and split a dinner bill, all inside one single app without ever touching a bank. While America was still swiping credit cards, China already skipped that era entirely and jumped straight to invisible money. And here is where it gets serious for the US dollar. Alipay is no longer just in China. It is expanding across Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Every country that adopts Alipay is one less country that needs dollars to do business. Number 2, WeChat Pay. When your social media becomes your bank. Imagine if Instagram, your bank account, Venmo, and Amazon all merged into one single app on your phone. That is WeChat Pay. Alipay and WeChat Pay together account for over half of all digital payments worldwide. Think about that. 2 Chinese apps control more of the world's payments than Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal put together. In China, street vendors, luxury stores, hospitals, and government offices all accept WeChat Pay. Homeless people in Shanghai have QR codes so passers-by can donate directly to their phone. The dollar runs on trust. WeChat Pay runs on habit. And habits are harder to break than currencies. Number 3, e-CNY. China's digital dollar built to kill the real dollar. This is the big one. The one that makes Washington nervous. China has built its own digital currency. Not crypto. Not Bitcoin. A government-controlled digital yuan called e-CNY that the Chinese government can send directly to every citizen's phone instantly without any bank involved. China is not trying to make the yuan immediately more attractive than the dollar. Instead, it is building alternative payment systems that over time would remove the need to go through the US dollar at all. By November 2025, e-CNY had already reached 3.48 billion transactions, supported by hundreds of millions of personal and corporate wallets. Here is why this terrifies America. The entire power of the US dollar is built on the fact that countries need dollars to trade with each other. Oil is priced in dollars. Global trade is settled in dollars. Every country on Earth keeps dollar reserves just to do business. e-CNY is China's direct attack on that system. Every country that trades in digital yuan instead of dollars weakens American financial power by exactly that amount. Number 4, Ant Group AI. the algorithm that replaced your bank. In America, if you want a loan, you need a credit score, pay stubs, tax returns, a meeting with a banker, and about 3 weeks of waiting. In China, Ant Group's AI gives you a loan in 3 minutes. AI-powered algorithms are being used to enhance credit scoring, fraud detection, and personalized financial services across China's entire Fintech ecosystem. Ant Group's AI has given credit access to over 500 million Chinese people who never had a bank account. Farmers in rural villages, street vendors in small towns, young people with no financial history. All of them now have access to capital because an algorithm decided they were trustworthy. This is not just technology. This is the complete replacement of what banks do. And it is spreading to Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America. Regions where American banks never bothered to go. Number 5, mBridge, the secret system replacing dollar payments. Most people have never heard of mBridge. That is exactly the point. Through the mBridge initiative, China is exploring the use of central bank digital currencies for international settlements, directly reshaping global payments infrastructure. Right now, if Saudi Arabia wants to pay Japan for a shipment of goods, they have to convert everything into US dollars first, send it through American-controlled banking systems, and pay American fees every step of the way. mBridge eliminates every single one of those steps. Countries can trade directly with each other using digital currencies with $0 involved. 0 American banks, 0 American fees, 0 American oversight. China has already tested mBridge with the UAE, Thailand, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia, and it worked. Here's what all 5 of these technologies have in common. None of them needed to defeat the dollar in a fight. They just needed to make the dollar unnecessary. China's fintech market was valued at $4.59 trillion in 2024 and is expected to reach $9.97 trillion by 2030. That is not a challenge to American finance. That is a replacement of it. The dollar did not become the world's reserve currency because America forced everyone to use it. It became dominant because it was the most convenient, most trusted, most available option. China is not attacking that trust. It is building something more convenient, something more available, something that does not require you to go through America at all. And by the time most people realize what happened, the shift will already be complete. The most dangerous financial revolution in history does not announce itself. It just quietly makes itself impossible to ignore. And China is already there.